Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant to the power button on Xreal Beam Pro. To link or unlink Google Assistant to the power button, go to Settings, then go to System, Gestures, press and hold power button, and now you can either set it to power menu. Now when you press and hold on the power button, it opens the power menu, or digital assistant, and now when you press and hold, it opens the digital assistant. And to open power menu when digital assistant is on, you need to click on power and volume up, and then it opens power menu. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.